Hey y'all, CB here at NBS Welding, and I gotta redo this video to fix a goof that I did because I was recommending the wrong diffuser gas cup contact tip kit for the MiG 250, for the Art Captain MiG 250. But I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna give 100 apologies to the 80 or 90 people that watched that video, because I put out some information that's wrong and I'm trying to fix it. But here we go. Let's do this. I'm at the NBS Welding YouTube channel, and I get a lot of questions about how to buy the products that I use and that I endorse, and things that I use on the channel. So I always say, click on the link in the description of the videos. And I think a lot of people don't understand how to click on the links of the, in the description of the videos. So like, right here's one of the videos, and I'm going to just pause the video so you can hear me talking about this. But you see the title of the video, Flux Core Weld in the Art Captain MiG 250, and below that on my device it says more. There's 4.6K views 2 weeks ago and more. I hit more, and this has taken me. Now here's the description of the video. In this video, I use my Art Captain MiG 250 to weld some 1-inch plate, blah, blah, blah. And if you go to the bottom, there again, it says more. I'm going to hit more again, and I can see the entire description. This is the description that I'm talking about when I say there's a link in the description of the video. So let's talk about Art Captain products. If you go down to this link for Art Captain products, use this link. I'm going to hit that link. Hit that link, and here we're at the Art Captain website. Now, if you've used the link in my description of my video to get to the Art Captain website, that's good, because they know you got there because of me, and that's good for the channel. Next thing is, let's look at the product that I said wrong. I hit the 3 bars in the upper left to go to accessories. Now I hit accessories. I hit this. I was saying that this would fit the MiG 250 gun, and I was wrong. This is just for the MiG 200 to MiG 130. That was a bad doozing on my part. What you actually need for the newer guns is this Lincoln Magnum 100L welder part MiG gun consumables kit for the MiG 250, the MiG 205 Pro, and the MiG 205 MP. So these upgraded guns have the gas cup that screws on instead of slides on, and the diffuser's got a male thread that's a right-hand thread that screws in. And when you go to buy, I would pretty much always select the 035. I use 035 tips even for 030 wire. So that's what I would select. But I wanted to get that part straight. Now let's go back. And like I say, any of the things that you're going to buy from Art Captain, it's better for the channel if you buy them on the Art Captain website using the My Art Captain link from the description of my video. And when you check out, use the promo code NBS Welding 5%. So here we are back at my description, where all of my latest videos are going to have all these links. Now, if you're not buying from Art Captain and you want to buy from Amazon, use this link for purchasing products from Amazon. Use this link. See, here's the link to my Amazon storefront, and I put items on my Amazon storefront that I use. This is stuff that I've bought. So this might help a little bit, even on the stuff that's not for welding, because if it's on my storefront, I bought it and it worked. If it's junk, any junk that I bought on Amazon is not going to be on my storefront. I won't put it on there. It's stuff that I used and it was good. But anytime that you're buying, the cool thing about, one thing about using Amazon is if you buy the Art Captain stuff on Amazon, I don't get as much as if you bought the Art Captain stuff on the Art Captain site. So for me, you would be doing me better if you bought Arc Captain on the Arc Captain site. But if you're going to buy from Amazon, at least use my Amazon link. And the cool thing about the Amazon link, even though I don't get much, is when you use my link to get to Amazon, you could search any product and buy it, and I'll get credit for it. I won't get much, but if you search butt cream and you go on here and you buy you some butt cream, and even though this here bum cream is not on my Amazon storefront, if you use my link to get here and you buy you some bum cream, then I'll get a commission off of it. So you can use that to help, and I'm not going to know who bought the bum cream. So if you're buying sex lotion or dildos or whatever you buy on Amazon, it might come up saying that you bought some butt cream, but it ain't going to tell me who you are. It's just going to tell me what they bought and how much commission. And yes, I have already had people buy stuff like sex lube and stuff on my Amazon storefront, and I don't know who it was. I just got commission off of it, and I was tickled to death. Not only that I got a little commission, but that they got their sex cream, because that's great. So that's the rundown on using the links in the description of the videos. There's a link to my PayPal. There's a link to Arc Captain. There's a special link for ordering a MiG 205 MP. There's the Amazon link. There's also a SIMDER link. And at the bottom, there's my email that you can use if you want to try the Thrive supplements that me and Tina take, and we've been taking for so long. You can email Tina at nbswelding@aol.com, and that's the same email you'd use if you want to get an NBS Welding t-shirt, is at nbswelding@aol.com. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Sorry to the 88 or 90 people, however many it was, that I told wrong on the last video. I'm trying to fix it here. I'm doing the best I can. I want to thank y'all for watching, and y'all learn how to work with what you got. That way you'll always have everything you need.